What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Q50, coming to you with another quick video. And today is the day. We're finally gonna be getting the new wheels installed. I have them loaded up in the car. Speed Zone has the tires, so let's go ahead, do the cold start, and let's get to it. Alright, so I made it here to Speed Zone. I gotta take a look at that closer. But yeah, I made it. This is the before. So this is my ride height. I'm on 20s now. The new wheels going to be 19s. So this is how she's sitting on the 20s. How she's sitting aired out. Alright, so let's go ahead and get checked in and pick up the camera here in a little bit. Looking good. Alright, it's aired up. It's about to drive it around. So I don't really get to see it driving too often, so I think when I'm here and when I'm going to get the car washed. There we go. Yeah, that looks good. Uh-huh. Yeah.
That looks nasty.
Mm-hmm. Comparing the two different sides, I don't know. I do like both sides actually. I don't know which one I like more.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
I know which one you want to do.
All right, so I just thought about it. I don't think I said the specs of the wheels. So, but first off, these are GMR wheels, and yeah, GMR wheels. These are the Monarchs, and these are 19 by 10.5 all the way around, positive 22 offset. The tires I got are 245, 35, 19. Pretty much a lot like the specs of the tires I was getting on the 20s, except for 19s. And yeah, I'm definitely loving them. Let me know what you guys think. Also, I will need to get my fitment adjusted. Okay, so let me know which side you like, tucking in the rear or fender to lip in the rear. And as you can see, that's why I need to get it adjusted. Initially I wanted to do the fender to lip, but I don't know, if I can't do it all the way around, I might just rock with the tuck all the way around. Definitely let me know what you guys think. So far I've been hearing go with the tuck side, and I'm thinking that's probably gonna be the move, but let me know what you guys think overall with the choice. Oh, also I got the different new lugs too. Figured it was time, since the ones that I had before, I've had those since I had the last set of wheels. So, and that's been like what, 4 years or so. So I figured it's time to get some new ones. And it was the same ones that I got the time before that when I got the other wheels too. So figured I'd get something a little different, and the color matches pretty well, especially makes it pop with the white wheels. But yeah, let me know what you guys think overall. I'm loving it. But yeah, I might pop out later. I don't know yet, because I do have a flight early in the morning. I don't know if I'm actually gonna pop out, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the closing just in case I don't pop out. And if you don't see the closing for the next clip, then you know I did pop out. So here we go. Yep. But before we go ahead and end the video, I like to go ahead and do the comment of the day. And the comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. And who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.